Mango is a delicious fruit that not only our taste buds love but also our skin. A mango face pack is the answer to most of the skin problems. So before the mango season ends, go for homemade mango face pack. You get ripe mangoes in abundance in the month of June and July. But that doesn't mean that August is the no mango month. Mangoes are excellent for two major skin concerns. The antioxidants present in mango help combat free radicals that contribute to premature aging. Whereas mangoes possess anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin and reduce redness caused by acne. They also contain enzymes that help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. By now, you will be fully convinced that mangoes are super good for our skin, and topically applying a mango face pack is really beneficial. So let's learn how to make a mango face pack real quick. All you have to do is take a full ripe mango, take out the pulp and combine it with yogurt and mix thoroughly. Apply the mixture on your face and neck and let it dry for 15 minutes before washing it off with plain water. This will give you smooth texture and glowing skin. However, at times home remedies can irritate your skin, so do a patch test before using mango face pack. For more health related content, subscribe to TheHealthSite.com.